email marketing, is it saturated or will it be saturated in 2023? Hi, Tommy Olsson here. To begin with, before I give my answer to this question, I'm going to explain. In a way, it's a bit saturated already, but don't get me wrong, there's still room for new players in the, so to say, new marketers to get started making money online. But there's a whole bunch of blogs, for instance, out there, but don't think too much about how many blogs there are and the level of competition. Concentrate on how you're going to stand out, be different, be entertaining, and share your story, what you've gone through before you had your breakthrough or something like that. And if we talk about email marketing as well, don't just when you have started to build a list, don't just share links in your emails. Show heart, so to say. What do I mean by that? Well, tell a story about maybe you've struggled before you had any success online, and tell them your story. Show that you are a human being that cares, and that you also have struggled. If you have struggled, most have struggled before they got success. And by showing this, that you're not just sharing links, spamming links, and want the money, then focus this way on building a relationship with your subscribers and so on. So that's the advice I can give you. What I share here is Michael Cheney's newbie friendly program, and also it fits more experienced marketers as well, and it's perfect if you have a limited budget because it's built around only free traffic, and he teaches a whole bunch of different great free traffic strategies inside, and you will earn 100% commission on the whole sales funnels. You don't have to worry to set up a sales funnel or capture pages or follow-up emails or something like that. You just have to promote the system, and it's just right now it's only $9.95 and you get a 30-day money-back guarantee. And you can check out this site for yourself through the link below. And it's the training that Michael himself has been using as well, and you can check out some bonus on this page if you want. Also different bonuses you will receive when signing up. Guide, affiliate profit matrix calculator, the 7-figure affiliate growth orientation session, for instance, an affiliate millionaire mindset, ultimate accountability system, and so on, the 7-day affiliate community access. And here we have testimonials of successful pupils of students of Michael Cheney, like Ben Martin. Access your own business in a box where you earn 100% commission. You need to click the link below in the description. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.